Greetings. Today I want to show off one of my new creations. It's my new everyday carrying knife. Just stick it in your pocket, take it anywhere you go. Sorry about the wind, but we'll just have to make do. Let's show it off real quick. There you go. Nice, compact, everyday carrier. Nice and versatile. You can slash with it, you can stab with it, you can smash with it. What else could you want from an everyday carry? Let's test it out a little bit, huh? I can't wait. First, let's test it on this bottle of ice. It'd be good. Well, the number on the bottle. That was so cool. Well, took care of my bottle of ice for me. What we say happens with my analog zombie skull, which today it's coconut. Let's go crack a nut. That was some good clean fun. Alright. Of course, no everyday carry would be complete if it can't be thrown too. Let's give it a shot. I don't expect much, and I'm afraid my handle here is gonna break. But it's in the name of science and fun. Or fun. Just fun. Let's try it. Oh man, that's great. Now take a look at that thing in the road. Oh boy. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, sorry about the wind. I can't do anything about Mother Nature. Alright guys, that was a lot of fun. Whew. Well, there you have it. There's my new everyday carry. I'll go inside here in a moment and tell you a little bit about it. Oh, there she is, my everyday carry, and my little buddy Percy. Have him in the shot to give you just an idea how big this sword is. Well, it's actually supposed to be a Bowie knife. You like it, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm a velociraptor.
Yeah, velociraptor. Fist bump fireworks. Alright, now here we go. This is your standard Bowie brass. Yep. And we have it made out of a very big piece of 3/8" plain steel.
Yep.
Why do we have it from plain steel, bud? Because it's tough! Anyway, just a lot of grinding work, and that's about it. And a little handle wrap out of fake leather.
Yep.
Make it look a little bit cooler. Actually, it's to soften the blows, because believe it or not, it hurts like a bastard when you smash things with it. Now it doesn't so much. But it's so much fun. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, have a great day.